Hello everyone, welcome back everyone to the next episode on anubhavtrainings.com SAP Generative AI video series. In this series, we are learning the overview of BTP Generative AI. In the last episode, I showed you a demo of an application which was built using the LangChain framework and Gork AI. In today's session, I will show you using another application which is a SAP BTP CAPM chatbot ability to generate CAPM code for you using OpenAI GPT model with the same LangChain framework. So this will be just a demo session, but if you would like to see how did we build this application, you can subscribe our detailed training on anubhavtrainings.com. So let's get into the demo. It's going to start my web application, which is going to help me asking questions related to cloud application programming model in context of JavaScript. So what is at SAP CDS DK module in CAPM? Yeah, I click on submit and let's see what it returns. It's calling the LLM, calling the GPT 4.1 model, and then it's going to produce the response. You can see it's still running. Look at that on the top, and it's just thinking and providing. And you can see the response. It is giving me accurate answer within the context actually, within the exact context. Now you can also go back and analyze the return data because we're not printing it in the console, but actually the return is going to be having additional metadata information. So this response will have additional metadata information, which it will also return usually in the output. So how to add a generic handler for validation in CAPM? Yes, great. So let's ask this question. Maybe performance is little slow, but yes, it does going to produce the answer in context of the CAPM. And you will always see that it will return the output in context of CAPM with JavaScript, not CAPM with Java. You can see here it gives me the detail about how to add generic handler. So precisely it's giving me ability to add validation before create an update, adding validation and giving the validation error correspondingly. With that, thank you so much for watching this video with me today. If you feel this content is helping you, kindly subscribe and share this channel in the WhatsApp group of your company teams. And I hope to see you in my next episode. Happy learning. Till then, goodbye and see you again.